In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon cat. I'm starting out with a circle shape and then adding a curve shape resembling the body and the tail. The head could fit in the body about 3 times or 2.5 depending on from where you're measuring. And I'm adding some lines as the legs and some smaller, more detailed lines as the paws. Now I'm adding some stop shapes to finish up the basic of the drawing, and I'm adding some details. And you can draw the face with a cross over the head, and in the middle of the cross you can draw the nose, and from the nose begins the mouth, because cats have this weird mouth that begins from the nose, and the eyes right above it. To achieve a more clean look on the drawing, I'm drawing a line art with a black marker. With the line art you can add some more details, like the fur and those kind of things. See? The line art adds a more precise look to the drawing. It looks cleaner, better and more cartoony. And now I'm going to do the coloring. I'm going to do an orange tabby cat with stripes. Also, you can add some whiskers if you forgot them, like I did. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more drawing videos.